Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In previous video, we have discussed the definition of partial differential equation. In this video, I will explain how to generate a partial differential equation from the given equation. See the statement of the given problem. Find the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants small a and b from the equation 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. Okay, so don't forget one important point. If a given relation contains the variables z, x and y, then always you should treat z as dependent variable and x and y as independent variables. See. So once write the given equation in the solution. Given equation is 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. Take it equation number 1 where a and b are parameters. Sometimes parameters are not mentioned in the statement, but you have to identify what are the parameters involved in the given equation by seeing it. Okay, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants are also known as parameters. Don't worry it. Okay, so what is the rule to eliminate parameters a and b here to get partial differential equation? Okay, to eliminate parameters a and b here, first count the number of parameters and count the number of independent variables involved in this equation. So number of parameters are a and b. There are two parameters, and what are the independent variables? X and y. So number of parameters is equal to the number of independent variables. In such cases, we have to use only first order partial derivatives, nothing but small p and small q. What is small p and small q? Dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. It means that you have the rights to take partial derivative with respect to x, and you have to take the partial derivative with respect to y only. Okay, don't use the higher order partial derivatives like r, s and t when number of independent variables is equal to the number of parameters. Okay, clearly number of independent variables is equal to number of arbitrary constants, otherwise parameters, to be eliminated. If these both are equal, use only first order partial derivatives. Don't take higher order partial derivatives. Okay, suppose number of independent variables is less than the number of arbitrary constants, then we have to apply first order and second order partial derivatives also. Okay, you have to use higher order partial derivatives also in that case. Okay, now take partial derivative with respect to x of 1 on both sides. Okay, so you will get 2 into dou z by dou x. Okay, 2 into dou z by dou x is equal to derivative for x square is 2x by a square, 1 by a square is the constant, plus partial derivative of y square with respect to x is 0. Okay, so 2 getting cancelled. Already in previous video I explained you what is dou z by dou x. Entire in this chapter, whenever we have dou z by dou x, I will replace it by small p. Okay, small p is equal to x by a square. From this, find out the value of a square. You will get x by p. By cross multiplication, you are getting this. Now, take partial derivative with respect to y on both sides of 1. See. Okay. Whenever we are taking the partial derivative with respect to y, x is automatically becomes constant, but z is not constant. Don't forget it. Don't put derivative for z term is 0 here, because z is a dependent variable. Z is a function in the both variables x and y. Okay, don't forget it. So from the given equation, 2 into dou z by dou y is equal to, this becomes 0 because x square by a square entire term becomes constant whenever you are taking the partial derivative with respect to y, and the derivative for y square is 2y by b square. 1 by b square is the constant term, so 2 getting cancelled. So q is equal to, replace dou z by dou y is equal to q. Okay, once look at the previous video and observe the what are the notations in this chapter. Y by b square, from this b square is equal to y by q. Now substitute the values of a square comma b square in 1. So you will get 2z is equal to x square by, what is small a square, x by p plus y square by y by q, which is the b square value. Okay, so 1x getting cancelled, 1y gets the cancel, so 2z is equal to, so this denominator becomes to numerator, so you will get xp plus yq. This is the required partial differential equation. This is the required partial differential equation of 1. In this way we can eliminate the parameters.